split hair dye, guys. Sana kaya yun ang powers ko. Kaya kong tiisin yung boat na yan for like mga 2 weeks. Anyway, yeah. That's gonna be the hair color. I think that's wine red and gray. Kasi I have a little bit of gray, pero konti na lang. Sana kumasa siya. Lalagay ko na lang siya dun sa medyo mas manipis na part ng hair ko. And then, I have lots of wine red pa naman. So, wish me luck!
The next day.
Hi! Welcome to the vlog!
Hey! Anyway, forgive the background. Sobrang gulo. Yun na lang pansinin. So, today, we are gonna be doing our hair color. Finally. So, as you saw at the start of the video, Avery wanted me to do a split dye hair of red and gray. In my previous video, I showed you how I stripped direct dye on my hair to make my hair ready for another color. So, if you can see, medyo dinaya ko na siya. Yung isang side ko gray na. I'm gonna show you later how I did this. Pero, I'll show you later how pero yun nga, yung other side, wala pa akong ginagawa. But anyway, I'm gonna need my sister's help later. But I'll show you how we're gonna do this split dye.
Split dye!
That Avery wanted me to do. So, on my previous video, you will see na parang hindi pa siya ganun ka-white. It actually has mga pink and red pigments pa. So, dahil doon, natakot ako na yung semi-permanent na dark gray, baka hindi siya basta kumapit kasi nga hindi pa white na white yung hair ko. So, ang ginawa ko, I use this. This is Ashley Shine color in 611 dark gray. So I mixed this with 50 grams of it. I mixed it with 50 ml, then 6% or 10 volume oxidizing lotion. And then that's what I did lang dito sa other side. If you can see, merong mga parts na hindi ko talaga masyado asin nilagay. Kasi nga, the intention really was just to lighten it more para kumapit yung semi-permanent na dark gray. I'm actually surprised to see that it actually went gray. So, medyo aksidente to. Hindi ito yung intention ko. But, yeah, I'm happy about it. So, now, yung konting gray ko na natitira, I'm just gonna use it to fill in yung mga, like yan, yung mga konting stuff na hindi masyadong tinamaan. But I'm gonna ask my sister to do it for me kasi, again, hindi ko siya kaya na mag-isa. Okay, so just to show you the combination of what I will be doing. Ito siya. So, I have a lot of extra hair lying around at home. But of course, not all of you naman will have hair lying around their house. So, if you don't, pero gusto niyo makita yung color na gagamitin niyo, you can use the old tissue method. So, as you can see, this is the gray I'm going to be using for this side. And then this is the wine red I'm going to be using for this side.
5 minutes later.
The sister is here. Say hi. 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 So these are the two colors I'm gonna be doing. This is wine red and dark gray. More than halfway done with the wine red side. Naantok na ako, nakaka-relax yung ginagawa mo, Andy. So, Andy's done doing my hair. Tataas na lang niya para we're gonna let it sit ng nakaganon. And since we're using semi-permanent dyes, we're going to let it sit for as long as we can para mas kapit na kapit yung hair color. I would advise to put it on damp hair For some reason, feeling ko, mas kumakapit siya ng mas maayos when it's put on damp hair versus dry hair. Aray ko! Ow! Ow! Higaw ko. Sorry. So, yan. Okay na. We're just gonna let it sit. Press once again. Si Andy muna kukulayan ko.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so dye has been in my hair for I think an hour pa lang. Just wanna leave it there for a longer period. So I'm just gonna work. It's 4 o'clock now. So konti pa. I think mga 5:30.
2 hours later.
Alright people, so we're back. It's already 6 o'clock. So ito na, the moment of truth. Pero basa pa siya. So yay! Since quarantine naman, sa loob lang ng bahay, medyo tinapangan ko na. Actually, hindi pa ako matapang kasi parang hindi ko pa kaya lumabas ng bahay na ganito yung buhok ko. Pero tingnan natin, malay mo, if the situation calls for it. Anyway, I'm just gonna dry this. Medyo mag-ayos ako ng konti para magmukha naman akong tao. But, I'm quite happy as to how it turned out. Galing ang kapatid ko magkulay. Yeah, just a little warning, if you're going to use wine red from Technicolormnl, grabe yung bleed niya. Parang feeling ko habang buhay siya mag-bleed. As in, ang tagal kong nagbabanlaw hanggang sa nag-give up na ako. Feeling ko hindi na talaga siya titigil mag-bleed. So, tinigilan ko na. But dark gray is sobrang ganda. It doesn't bleed at all. At ang galing kasi nakoveran niya yung mga alanganing yellow ng buhok ko. Diba? So, I'm just gonna dry this and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's dry and a little bit fixed na.
One eternity later.
So, we're done. This is it, pansit. So, naguluhan na ako't lahat. Pinakilaman ko na yung bangs ko. Ginupit ko na siya. Oily na mukha ko. Ginupit ko na yung bangs ko. Tapos, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-blower, guys. Tapos, wala rin ako nung roller na brush, yung circle. So, hindi ko siya magawa ng matino. So, yung isang side, okay. Pero yung isang side, medyo weird. Pero hindi man na siya kita. But anyway, here's the final look. Today ba hindi ako umupo? Hirapan ako. Anyway, today lang yung bangs na yan kasi mahirapan akong maintain. For all the products that I used in this video, I'll put all the Facebook page of the shops or yung mismong product in the description box below. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and then like, and I don't know, show some love. Alam mo na yan. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you on the next video.
노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지